friends, this is Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading in my channel. Just subscribe Infinity Gainers. Okay friends, today we are see when I try to open SOLIDWORKS, we are facing one like error. Okay, I will show you that error, how to resolve the problem, and for SOLIDWORKS from how to solve. Okay, this is SOLIDWORKS. I am opened at the time. This is error. Okay, 15.60016 error. How to resolve the issue? First procedure, go to search services, right click, run as administrator. Here SolidWorks license service. Okay, server. In this service you have just open, put automatically and start apply. Click. If not have here that services, you compulsory you uninstall and install it. Okay, in our setup file. Now I am that service, so I not run it, but manually I am run it. Then it is set to automatically next time it is running. Okay, now what I am doing for this application, open that time, this time it is working now because this service is not runned, so I am manually runned. I am put on automatically, so it is run properly now. Okay, I am signed in account for this SolidWorks. Then wait a few minutes, now working. Okay, just I am closed. Second procedure, install at time. Okay, uninstall and install it. Install at a time. You have electrical features you want to just enable, or you or not you want to mean just uncheck electrical version only. Okay, uncheck and install it now. Okay, you want to, you don't want electrical, just uncheck and install it. Now it is problem solved. First procedure is for electrical not a problem. With the service server manager not installed your SolidWorks. That is so we are facing like error. Day by day IT related videos were uploaded in the design applications and more applications on my channel. Just subscribe, like and share. See you next video. Any problem, comment me, I will reply you. I share your link.